everybody. This is the tutorial number one for igicupuri.com or lastexampaper.com, where you can see and access all exam papers for universities in Rwanda. Let's now take an overview for this website, see what is in. This is our first tab called the menu tab, where there is home, contact us, university, all exam paper, upload and so on. Right now for home, this is the home page tab showing you the main content of our website. As you see, there is all university. This is a multi-university website for exam paper. There is a recent post, there is disbursement and so on. Here there is a contact us, where you can contact us via email. There is an university, a list of universities where you can access every paper for each and every university in Rwanda. There is URL, polytechnics, nursing schools, and private university. There is a list of all exams uploaded in this website. There is upload and earn money. This is where you can upload and earn money through this website. According to your post, you can view the upload exam by clicking here. It is open. It is opened. Okay, you can read as you see, as you want. You can zoom in and zoom out as you want. You can register and log in. If you don't have an account, you can just click here register. If you have it, you can click login. Then just click here to log in. This is the admin panel. This is, you can just click here on username. Just click on my second account from admin. Hit login. Now wait a little bit longer. See, yeah, here we go. This is our tab. This is our names. This is our profile. You can click here to upload. You can click here to upload and upload your exam. After uploading, you can click on my post, see all your posts. You can use this website for storing your exam. You can use this website for sharing your exam. You can also search here other past papers done for the previous students. Thank you for following us. Click subscribe and like for the upcoming videos and following us on this YouTube channel.